So my name is Andre Kirardianto. My student ID is F111-23065.
Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Faris Setiawan. White name F111-23-131.
Hi everyone, my name is Kayla Ignatia Aulia and my study ID is F1123054.
Hi everyone, my name is Andi Novelia Safitri. My student ID is F111-23049.
Hi guys, my name is Nadifa Naruf Ibrahim and my student ID is F111-23020.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahda Fitria Sabila and my student ID is F111-23022.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Salwa Fauzia Salman. My ID student is F111-23034.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Wiranda Lestari Labuno and my student ID is F111-23046.
A metal is a material that is typically hard, opaque, shiny, and has a good electrical and thermal conductivity. Metals typically have a crystalline structure and are found on the left side of the periodic table. They tend to lose electrons easily, forming positively charged ions and exhibit metallic bonding.
Classification of metal divided into two. First is ferrous metal. Ferrous metal contain iron as the main element. They are magnetic and prone to rusting. For example, there are iron, cast iron, steel, stainless steel, and wrought iron. Second is non-ferrous metal. Non-ferrous metal do not contain iron. Typically, resistant to corrosion and non-magnetic. For example, is aluminum, bronze, copper, and gold. Ferrous metal, we have wrought iron. Wrought iron is a low carbon iron alloy, less than 0.1% carbon. Known for its toughness, ductility, and corrosion resistance. Unlike cast iron, it's soft and easy to work with, but not as strong under compression. The characteristic verse is malleable, can be easily shaped and weighted. Next is corrosion resistant. Naturally resistant to rust. Taut but not brittle. Handle stress without cracking. And last is common uses. Decorating gates, railings, and fences. Historical structures and ornamental work. Wrought iron is now mostly replaced by mild steel due to cost and availability.
Cast iron is an iron carbon alloy with 2% to 4% carbon, making it strong and easy to cast but brittle. There are several types. First is gray cast iron. It's good machinability, vibration damping, used in engine blocks and cookware. Second is white cast iron. It's very hard and very resistant, used in crushers and grinding bowls. Third is ductile cast iron. It's strong and flexible, used in automotive parts. Fourth is malleable cast iron. It's heat treated for strength, used in pipe fittings. Fifth is chilled cast iron. It's hard surface, softer core, used in rolls and brakes. Now the characteristic. Cast iron is strong under compression, very resistant and affordable but prone to brittleness. limiting its use in tensile applications. Common use include cookware, automotive parts, and construction materials. Steel, an alloy of iron and carbon with various subtypes based on carbon content. Low carbon steel contains about 0.05% to 0.25% of carbon, known for its ductility and malleability used in construction and pipelines. Medium carbon steel contains about 0.3% to 0.6% of carbon, offering a balance of strength and ductility often used in automotive parts. High carbon steel contains about 0.6% to 1.0% of carbon, very strong and hard, and used in tools and cutting instruments. Very high carbon steel contains more than 1.0% of carbon, very hard and brittle, used in specialty tools like blades and springs.
Non-ferrous metals are those that do not contain iron. This unique composition makes them not magnetic, which is an important characteristic in various industrial applications. They also have the advantage of being more resistant to corrosion when compared to ferrous metals, which makes them ideal for environments where rust or decay could be an issue. Additionally, these metals are often chosen for their specific property, such as being lightweight, having good electrical conductivity, or performing well in applications where rust resistance is a critical factor. Because of these diverse properties, non-ferrous metals find widespread use in industry ranging from construction to electronics. Some common use of non-ferrous metals include aluminum, copper, and zinc.
Aluminium, or some Americans said aluminum. Known for being lightweight and highly corrosion resistant, aluminum is an essential material in industries like aerospace, automotive, and packaging. Copper, valued for its excellent electrical and thermal conductivity, copper is a crucial material in electrical wiring, electronics, and plumbing systems. Nickel, corrosion resistant, used in stainless steel and batteries. Zinc, often used for galvanizing to prevent rusting in iron and steel.
Metals exhibit a variety of mechanical, physical, and chemical properties that determine how metal can be used in different industries and applications. Mechanical properties relate to the behavior of metal under physical force. Strength, the ability to withstand force without breaking. Toughness, the ability to absorb energy and deform without fracturing. Hardness, resistance to stretching or indentation. Ductility, the ability to be drawn into wires without breaking. Elasticity, the ability to return to its original shape after being stretched or compressed. Fatigue, resistance to failure under repeat stress. And creep, the tendency to deform permanently under constant stress at high temperature.
These physical properties of metal describe the natural characteristic of metals. First is the density, or mass per unit volume. Second is specific heat, or the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of a metal. Third is the melting and boiling point, or the temperature at which metal melt or boil. Fourth, the thermal expansion and conductivity, or the ability to conduct heat and expand when heated. And the last is electrical and magnetic properties, or the conductivity relates to how well a metal conducts electricity, and magnetic properties determine if the metal is attracted to magnet.
chemical properties. There are oxidation, which is reaction with oxygen, often leading to rust and tarnish. Then there are corrosion, degradation of metal due chemical reaction with their environmental, example rusting of iron. Third, we have flammability, how easily of a metal ignites or burns. And the last one, we have toxicity, the potential harm that can be caused by a metal to living organism.
Calculation. This presentation confirms the classification of metals into ferrous, iron-containing, magnetic, and non-ferrous, non-magnetic, corrosion-resistant categories. Ferrous metals like steel and cast iron are used for strength, while non-ferrous metals like we also reviewed key metal properties. Number 1. Mechanical strength, toughness. Number 2. Physical density, melting point, and chemical oxidation, corrosion. Understanding this helps in choosing the right metal for different applications, optimizing performance and durability.